A vision board is a powerful tool that helps you stay focused on your goals. It is a visual representation of your dreams and aspirations. By putting pictures, words, and symbols on a board, you create a clear reminder of what you want to achieve. First, start by deciding your main goals. These can be related to your career, health, relationships, or personal growth. Write down what you want to focus on the most. Keep your goals clear and simple. Next, find images and words that represent your goals. You can use magazines, print pictures from the internet, or draw your own designs. Choose pictures that inspire and motivate you. For example, if your goal is to get fit, you might include pictures of healthy food, exercise, or someone running. After collecting your images and words, arrange them on a board. This board can be made of cork, cardboard, or even a digital board on your computer or phone. Place the items in a way that feels good to you. Make sure your vision board looks exciting and encourages you every time you see it. Once your vision board is ready, place it somewhere you can see every day. This daily visual reminder helps keep your mind focused. When you see your goals clearly, you are more likely to work toward them. It reminds you why you started and keeps your motivation strong. Using a vision board also helps reduce distractions. When you feel overwhelmed or lose focus, looking at your board can bring you back to your main goals. It helps you say no to things that do not support your dreams. Remember to update your vision board as your goals change or grow. You can add new pictures, remove old ones, or create a new board altogether. Keeping your vision board fresh keeps your focus sharp and your dreams alive. In summary, a vision board is a simple but powerful tool to help you stay focused. It turns your dreams into a clear, visual guide. Use it every day, keep it updated, and let it inspire you to take action toward your goals.